Celebrate the cozy charm of autumn with our Sublimation MDF wall clock blanks. Crafted from durable MDF material and finished with a smooth, glossy white surface, these blanks are perfect for vibrant, full-color sublimation prints that capture the warmth of the season. Add your favorite fall-inspired designs, from golden leaves and pumpkin hues to rustic patterns and cozy quotes, and turn each clock into a timeless seasonal decor piece. Perfect for home decoration, gifts, or craft fairs, these clocks combine function and creativity, letting every tick bring a touch of autumn to your space. Easy to personalize and hang, they're a must-have for creators and small businesses this season. Fall in love with every moment with Sublimation MDF wall clock blanks.